one offered by Mercedes and one offered by everybody else. This is the fourth and final installment of how to get your Sprinter van to 500,000 miles or more. I'm Sprinter Jack. I head up Sprinter for Mercedes Easton Van Center in Columbus, Ohio. Extended limited warranties give you peace of mind and predictability in cost up to 100,000 miles. The big thing you need to remember is not all ELWs are equal. So there are two types of ELWs, one offered by Mercedes and one offered by everybody else. The biggest difference is when it's Mercedes, you drive it into any Mercedes dealership in the country, they look at the VIN, see you have the ELW, and they fix it back to Mercedes standards. For under $2,000, you can get an ELW from Mercedes that covers almost everything that will go wrong on the vehicle. 5 years, 100,000 miles. If you have a third-party ELW provider, it's brought in, we diagnose it, we have to call to get approval to fix what it is we think needs to be fixed. And your third-party providers may say, only fix this, not that. Either way, it's extra downtime for you. And in the unfortunate event that the fix this, not that, that did need to get fixed, you've lost another day because of the communication time it takes to get everything to the third party. So I would highly recommend getting a Mercedes ELW. It's good at any Mercedes dealership nationwide. If you have 36,000 miles or less on your van and it's less than 3 years old, give us a call and we can add it to your vehicle so you'll have peace of mind and coverage up to 100,000 miles or 5 years. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this informative. Again, Sprinter Jack, Mercedes Easton Van Center, Columbus, Ohio.